Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to show you how to recover accidentally closed timeline. So let's get started. So here we are in our Premiere Pro and we have our timeline right here. So let's say we accidentally close this. So let's say we accidentally click on this button, so it would close this timeline, and then as you can see, my timeline is now gone. Everything is gone right here, but you don't need to panic. All you have to do is locate your project panel of that timeline right here, and all you have to do is find this one right here. It's color coded green and it has this icon, and all you have to do is double click on it, and then it would reopen right there. And then as you can see, my timeline is back. So this is basically your timeline right here on your projects panel. So if ever you lose this, all you have to do is double click on this one. But what if you lose the timeline panel altogether? So all you have to do is go into Windows and make sure that you have you have your timeline, and you make sure that this is checked and this is checked right here, and then you would have your timeline back right here. So that is for the timeline panel, and that is basically it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.